Hey everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video where I'm going to show you 5 amazing pole tricks that I absolutely love. If you don't already know, I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and I pretty much just talk about all things pole related on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing those 5 amazing tricks, then keep on watching. But before we even get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed, okay, because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected, and so you can also see some of the cool pole dancing videos that I post on there. So if you're interested in seeing that, then definitely follow me. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so the first trick that I like to do is a combo spin, and what that is, you're taking 2 spins and putting them together. So the spins that I like to combo are my fairy spin and my fireman spin. And I love this because it's simple, but that little transition is just kind of just sexy, and plus it's easy for beginners to do as well. The second trick I absolutely love doing is my back hook spin up into an extended butterfly. Now listen, I have some pretty long legs, okay, and I like to use them when I can. So when I can spin up into my back hook, then invert up into that butterfly, it's just so fun, but it also looks very, very pretty when you're extending your legs out that way. So I absolutely love doing that trick. Moving on to the third trick I absolutely love doing is going from my shoulder mount into my split grip AYESHA. Now this is a new one for me, so I don't have it perfect, but I still wanted to show it because as a pole dancer, you're constantly practicing and working on different moves and constantly working on building your strength. So even though I don't have this perfect, I still absolutely love doing it, and I can't wait until I nail it because I love working on my shoulder mounts, and then coming out into that AYESHA really demonstrates my muscle strength. So moving right along to my fourth, and I would probably say my favorite trick of all. This has to definitely be my signature move because I always do it. I love doing it, and ever since I could nail this move, it's just, I love it. I absolutely love it. But it's my body spiral right into a climb. Now, like I said, I got long legs, might as well use them. And so I absolutely love throwing my body around the pole and then going right up into a climb, because as soon as people see it, they're taken back. They're like, what did she just do? It looks wild, it looks crazy, but it's super fun, and I absolutely love doing it. Okay, the 5th and final trick I absolutely love doing is once I climb to the top of the pole, I'll flip myself upside down and then drop head first straight to the floor. Now you gotta be careful with this one, okay, because you don't wanna hit the floor. We do not want that to happen, but you wanna get pretty close. But I absolutely love doing this move because it gets people's attention, and either they're surprised by it or they're scared because of how dangerous it looks, but either way, it's a cool, fun move to do and a great party trick to have in your back pocket. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what your favorite pole trick is. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.